First up is the Stud Finder JKI 35M from Marvel Corporation, a must-have for any home project. This sleek gadget uses cutting-edge tech to detect studs, metal, and live wires behind walls with insane accuracy. Its compact size fits perfectly in your hand, and the bright LED display shines even in low light. Whether you're mounting a TV or hanging shelves, it eliminates guesswork and wall damage. Built tough by Japan's Marvel Corporation, it's a pro favorite that's DIY-friendly too. Battery-powered and portable, it's ready whenever inspiration strikes. Say goodbye to blind hammering. This stud finder's a game changer. Now, let's talk about the Little Giant MegaLite Plus, 18-foot reach ladder, a shapeshifter that redefines versatility. This ladder transforms into an A-frame, extension, or even scaffolding, adapting to any job with ease. Reaching up to 18 feet with built-in leg levelers, it stays steady on uneven ground, perfect for outdoor or indoor tasks. It's surprisingly lightweight yet supports 300 pounds, making it a breeze to move around. The ratchet system adjusts height smoothly, keeping your fingers safe from pinches. Ideal for painting, roof repairs, or tackling high shelves, it's a one-ladder wonder. Little Giant's obsession with safety and durability shines through every rung. Trust me, this is the ladder you'll brag about. Say hello to the Spit Up P6 Ultra Performance Pulsa nails, a fastening revolution for builders. These gas-powered nails work with Spit's Pulsa tools to blast into concrete and steel. No drill needed. They're engineered for speed, securing drywall tracks or fixtures in seconds with unbeatable grip. Each nail's patented design ensures rock-solid holds, even in tough conditions. Corrosion-resistant and color-coded for quick-size picks, they're a pro's dream. Spit's decades of construction innovation make these a standout choice. If you're done with slow, messy anchoring, these nails will change your workflow. It's power and precision in every shot. Check out the Drainfast ProCut, a pipe-cutting marvel that's turning heads in plumbing. This tool slices PVC, copper, and steel pipes with razor-sharp precision, leaving flawless edges every time. Its built-in chamfering feature smooths pipe ends instantly, prepping them for connections without extra effort. Lightweight and rugged, it's designed for one-handed use in tight spots. Drainfast crafted it for durability, with blades that outlast countless cuts. Pros and DIYers alike swear by its time-saving magic. No more jagged cuts or hacksaw struggles. This is cutting done right. Efficiency never looked so good. Imagine controlling heavy machinery like a sci-fi gadget. That's the Hetronic MEC HL remote system. This wireless wonder operates cranes and hydraulics from up to 100 meters away with pinpoint control. Its ergonomic layout and customizable buttons feel intuitive and tailored to your job. Packed with safety features like emergency stop and anti-interference tech, it's built for the real world. Dust, water, and drops. This thing shrugs them off, thanks to Hetronic's tough design. Pros love its reliability. HydraStore calls it a top actuator pick. Long battery life keeps you going through brutal shifts. It's futuristic tech that's practical as heck. For countertop perfection, the Aardwolf seam setters are pure genius from down under. These tools align and level stone slabs with micro adjustments, making seams vanish like magic. Suction cups grip granite or marble tight. No slipping or scratches here. Lightweight yet tank tough. They're a dream for pros and serious DIYers. Aardwolf's design slashes setup time compared to clunky old methods. You can even work solo with these, efficiency at its peak. The result? Flawless surfaces that scream high-end craftsmanship. Stone fabricators can't stop raving about them. Changing tires just got epic with the HMS 3-arm Tyre Ease, a mechanical masterpiece. This 3-armed lever system breaks tire beads loose in seconds. No sweat required. Adjustable for cars, trucks, or tractors, it's as versatile as it gets. Built from solid steel, it takes a beating. Check the YouTube demo dominating stubborn rims. HMS made it fast and portable, perfect for mechanics or roadside fixes. It fits in your trunk for emergencies, ready to save the day. Stuck tires used to mean frustration. Now they're a quick win. This tool's a tire-changing superhero. Tiling pros. The RUBIFLEX. Handle. TechFlex. Notched trowels are your new go-to. The flexible steel blade bends just right, spreading adhesive evenly on any surface. Its RUBIFLEX handle fights fatigue, letting you tile all day with ease. With notch sizes for grout or thick mortar, it's wildly adaptable. Ruby's reputation for tiling excellence shines in this rust-proof, durable design. Lightweight yet premium, it gives you total control on floors or walls. TechFlex means less rework, fewer headaches. Your tiles will look pro-level every time. Knife enthusiasts, the Gohelper fixed angle. Knife Sharpener Kit is a sharpening revelation. Lock your blade at 15, 20, or 25 degrees for edges that slice like a dream. Multiple grit stones tackle kitchen knives to hunting blades with ease. The sturdy base stays put, no wobbling mid-sharpen. Gohelper made it simple for newbies but pro-grade for experts, with swappable stones for custom results. It's compact, stashing away neatly when done. Dull blades ruin everything. This kit fixes that fast. You'll be cutting paper like a ninja in no time. The Total Rapid Cross Wrench is your tire-changing MVP. This X-shaped tool packs 4 socket sizes, 17, 19, 21, and 23 millimeters, into one sleek package. Its design boosts torque, busting loose rusted lug nuts without breaking your back. Hardened steel construction means it's built to last, for pros or road warriors. The cross shape gives leverage from any angle, speeding up wheel changes. Total Tools nailed portability and power in one. Flat tire in the rain? You're back on the road fast. It's simple, strong, and weirdly fun to use. Dust disappears with the Hide tools. Dust-free vacuum scraper, a painter's secret weapon. Hook it to your shop vac, and it sucks up debris as you scrape paint or drywall. The angled blade hits corners without gouging, keeping surfaces intact. Hide made it tough yet light, ideal for long prep jobs. No dust clouds or endless sweeping. This slashes cleanup time. It fits standard hoses, working with what you've got. Pros love it for renos, DIYers dig the mess-free vibe. Prep work just became your favorite part. The Markrist RDC45 Mortar. Router Dust Guard turns chaos into clean cuts. Pair it with your grinder, and it vacuums mortar dust as you route, leaving a spotless sight. Adjustable depth control keeps cuts precise, perfect for brickwork or repointing. Markrist built it tough, with a seal that laughs at abrasive dust. YouTube demos show it slashing cleanup time like a pro. It fits most grinders and vacs, no adapter hassle. Breathe easy and work fast, this guard's a lifesaver. Construction just got a whole lot neater. Car lovers, the Laser 9001 cooling system. Flusher is your engine's new bestie. Blast water and air through radiators to clear rust and gunk in minutes. It hooks to a hose and shop air. Simple, no fancy gear needed. Laser tools made it leak-proof and rugged, ready for hot systems. Clogged lines tank performance. This keeps your ride cool and smooth. Mechanics and DAers adore the pristine results. Better cooling, longer engine life, done. Your car will thank you. Tiling's a breeze with the Barwalt Ultra Grouting System Starter Kit, a total game changer. This kit's power sponge, float, and bucket system halves grouting time. The ergonomic float spreads evenly, while the sponge cleans without smears. Pure perfection. Barwalt built it pro grade, but it's easy for weekend warriors too. Rollers and a pour spout make cleanup effortless. No grout waste. It tackles big floors or small backsplashes like a champ. Tilers call it essential. Flawless results every time. Your grout game just leveled up. Concrete pros. The Yado. 18-volt YT82604 concrete. Vibrator is your pour-perfecting powerhouse. This cordless tool shakes out air bubbles for smooth, strong concrete. Its 18-volt battery lasts through slabs or columns without quitting. Yado's lightweight build means no arm strain, even on long jobs. The flexible shaft hits tight spots in forms or molds. YouTube proves it delivers void-free concrete like a boss. Rugged, rechargeable, and ready for chaos. It's a must. Your concrete will stand the test of time. The Bosch 18-volt ProCut Hammer drill driver is a cordless beast for brutal tasks. Packing 130 inch-pounds of torque, it drills masonry, wood, or metal with ease. ProCut tech rivals corded power with a hammer mode for concrete. Kickback control saves your wrists, and the LED lights up dark corners. The metal chuck grips bits tight. No slip-ups mid-job. Under 4 pounds, it's a powerhouse you can wield all day. Bosch made it for pros, but DIYers get pro precision too. This drill doesn't mess around. Gardeners, the soil trencher and tiller. TM1500 from Far Tools is your dirt-taming titan. This 1500-watt electric machine trenches and tills up to 8 inches deep with adjustable blades. Perfect for planting, irrigation, or prepping beds. No shovel required. Far Tools gave it a solid frame and comfy grips for long sessions. At 33 pounds, it's manageable but churns clay like butter. The safety switch keeps you in charge, no surprises. Quieter than gas, it's neighbor-friendly too. Soil work just got seriously satisfying. Lube jobs level up with the DeWalt DCGG570B 18-volt cordless grease gun, a mechanic's dream. This 18-volt beast pumps 10,000 psi, greasing fittings faster than manual guns. Variable speed gives you control. No over-greasing here. DeWalt's 42-inch hose reaches tight spots like suspensions or machinery. The LED lights up dark chassis, and the strap frees your hands. Cordless and portable, it's shop or field ready. With 14.5 ounces of grease capacity, refills are rare. Maintenance just became a breeze. The Bihui TCP 1200 Heavy-Duty Manual. Tile cutter conquers big tiles, up to 47 inches, with finesse. Its tungsten carbide wheel scores clean, and the breaker snaps them perfectly, no chips. Bihui's steel base stays rock solid on any surface. The adjustable guide locks in angles or straight cuts for floors or walls. At 35 pounds, it's portable yet pro-tough, slicing porcelain effortlessly. Contractors Direct hails it as a heavy-duty champ. Precision is unreal. No power needed, just skill and strength. Tiling's never been this smooth. Screwdriver fans. The WorkPro 12-in-1 Torx. Screwdriver set is your pocket powerhouse. One handle swaps 12 bits. Torx, Phillips, flathead, stored right in the grip. The magnetic tip grabs screws tight, no fumbling mid-job. WorkPro's chrome vanadium steel takes daily punishment. Compact for drawers or tool belts, it's a DIYer's dream. Perfect for bikes, furniture, or gadgets, it's insanely versatile. The ratchet action eases twisting, saving your wrist. This set replaces bulky kits in one swoop. Finally, the dial-type VA wire stripper MVA4A from Marvel Corporation is a wiring wizard. Its adjustable dial strips 10 to 24 AWG wires without nicking a strand. Spring-loaded jaws snap open after cuts, keeping your pace fast. Marvel's Japanese precision shines. Durable, comfy, and spot on. It cuts and crimps terminals too, a multitasking champ. YouTube shows it stripping clean, no frayed messes. Lightweight and compact, it's an electrician's or hobbyist's must-have. Wiring just became a clean-cut win. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.